Good morning, guys. Welcome to our very first YouTube video. If you're coming over from our Instagram page, I want to say thank you so much for making the move. Well, so this YouTube is basically going to be about just things we're doing in Portland on the farm, around the area. So we're really excited to get this started. Here, this is not the main entrance, this is actually the back entrance. So there's an entrance 2, an entrance 3, and entrance 1 would be up on the top of the hill, around by where we have kind of the better roads and all of that. But yeah, so this section starts right around here and it runs up into the hills, and then we end off right here. Okay, so a little bit about how we ended up here. My dad's family is originally from Portland. During COVID, he was lucky enough to find land for sale, and he actually became his own real estate agent and then finalized everything with his lawyer. So that's how we ended up here in Portland. Last year we packed all our things and moved from Canada back to Jamaica. So we are returnees, and honestly very happy that we did it. I'm gonna go back this way now. I'm not gonna bother going all the way to the end, but yeah, so happy that we did it and I don't regret it at all. Just have to figure out something for you to do out here where you can make money and you can live well. So that's what we're trying to do now. So our main focus right now is setting up the farm and making sure that we can have some kind of an income. It's not only going to be a farm. I want to do cabins, camping, farm tours. It's going to be multiple things. So yes, now I'm going to take you over to the next slide right there and show you that end. I'm just going to show you. So this fencing is actually something that we made here on the property. So it's pretty new. We just probably had it for about maybe a month now, and it's not completed around the entire thing, but the main access points where it's easier to get in here, yeah, those are pretty much covered. So here you can see it's like from the side. This is the end. And then we're gonna put like another post and then a bigger one and then the gate right here. It is exactly 45 acres of land. Yeah, so any little questions you guys have, feel free to comment down below and we will try to answer them. Let's see, I'm just trying to show you guys everything that we've recently done. This was a dock that we used to use when we were getting our containers. We've slowly been taking it apart now that we're done. So this is container 1. We have not another container. We actually had another one, but those are just to get some farm equipment. And if you want to see a kind of a video of that, you can go on our Instagram channel. It's my mom. This is a little tiny house that we built here on the property, just so that we have some kind of comfort. And if you look up close, you can see that we have solar lights surrounding it. Show you the back of the house. This is the back. I just want to show you guys the door jambs because we could not find anybody to make the door jambs for us. So my dad had made them himself. Look at how good they're looking. And the door handles we bought here suck. So recently my mom actually went abroad and she got some proper door handles and we're gonna be putting them on. I told Ryan that we like plants, so he started planting along the line. Morning, Craig. Say hi to the YouTube. Huh? Voilà. Say hi to the YouTube.
Hi, YouTube.
Okay, so I'm gonna just show you a little bit around of what we have right here. I'm just gonna show you a little bit of what we have right here. We have some plowed land. This is the tractor that my dad drives. Over here we call this the jelly walk. We actually do sell our coconuts as well, to get a bit of an income. So yeah, we've been selling our jellies. This is where we get most of them from. We do have them around the other side of the property as well. These little bridges are all new. So here you can see some more plowed land. We didn't plow the other side, so it's just on this section that's plowed. And then here you can see what it looks like when it's all mounted up and ready. These little markers here that we have, these markers are going to be where the pipes are going to go. And then here we actually have one that's almost fully complete. So you can see that we actually have some peppers going, some scotches. So what we've done is we've pumped water from our little stream that we have across there. Right behind there we have a stream, and we fill these barrels. When we're ready to use it, it goes from there and it waters all of these plants. So I can give you a closer look at them. Okay, so when we come over here, this is our nursery that we've been working on. I'll show you guys where we have the plants out of right now, but yeah, they're gonna be moving to over here, and then this will be where we completely do all of our planting. And then, you know, it's also kind of closer to all of this as well, so that will be nice. There's another one of our solar lights that we've put in. The post isn't complete because we wanted to go around it with some kind of a brick or stone or something, but that's another solar light. And then this is our little stream here. It actually needs to be cleaned. I have a lot of stones and stuff that the river has pushed down, so you can see right here is really high. You can see right there, it's really high, so a lot of these stones need to be moved out of the way of the river so that it can run properly. You can see that's where we pump our water to water the plants as well. Very clear over here. And yeah, very nice. Okay, so oh, by the way, we have some deeper sections of it, but I'm not really trying to get my feet wet right now, so I'm just gonna take you across the river, show you over here. I just saw a mongoose run into the bushes. Unfortunately, the camera was turned off. Here we're hoping to cut like a little way for us to drive and reach that side of the hill. Over here the grass has been cut. The other section across there has not been cut as yet, so you know, but it's hard to maintain because we don't really use over here as yet. So yeah, it's not getting as much traction right now, but we do want to go through it actually this week and cut some kind of a path at least from down here to the top. It was actually, the entire thing was bulldozed and we had roads cut through it. But guys, the amount of rain we get in Portland, those roads didn't last very long because the rain brought back a bunch of bushes. So yeah, I wouldn't suggest cutting some roads without being ready to pave it off or do something so that the bushes don't grow back, because yeah, that's what happened to us. And you can see there's no road. Okay, so we have two ponds as well. This is one of them. The previous owner used to have fishes and stuff and everything in there, but we have not touched it, so it's just been sitting here. Here you can see, I kind of see the water moving. It does run down from the hill and fill the pond, so there could be fishes in there right now. Okay, yeah, so this is the pond. You can see a little water, but yeah, it needs to be cleared out. You can see it's pretty big. It goes all the way over here. This is the biggest one we have. The other one is a little smaller than this one. Ooh, you hear him? Yeah, I think there's like a little bird over there, or like two of them at least. And this is some more of the jelly trees that we have, and we've actually been planting even more. So you can see, this is pretty much where it ends. Like all of this is all grown. It's not so bad right here though. But yeah, this is where it's looking. I'm sure I'll eventually take you guys into the hills over there. See, the bamboos are growing up around by the stream. So a lot of these things we have are a lot of the things we have right now are, we do have one mango tree, but we have quite a bit of oranges because it used to be kind of a orange area. We have quite a lot of coconut trees. We have a lot of yam and stuff like banana, plantain. We have a pine. We have like a pine section, but last year we got pine, so we won't be getting pine until next year again. Yeah, everything else I'll be showing you guys. I know we have like one grapefruit tree, and we're going to be adding in a lot of fruit trees. We actually have quite a bit of them, so they're going to be planted out, and I can show you guys that right now. So I'm going to take you back over and show you some of the trees and the temporary nursery that we have right now. Okay, so I've arrived back to the jelly walk. This is where we have our temporary nursery. Right through here you can see that we've added in another bridge. It's not completed, but soon everything takes time, you know, little by little. Here's some of the jellies that we need to have planted out. A lot of these jellies we planted out, like some of them are here. There's some along the close to the fence line, but not too close to it. There's some along here. Like we have quite a few planted out, but they're kind of small, so you know. Here's some of the fruit trees that we have. I'll get my dad to kind of tell you guys what these are. I'd say morning, YouTube.
Morning, YouTube.
Okay, Dad, can you tell us some of those plants that you have over here?
We have avocado. We have coconut to plant out as well. A lot of coconut right there. We have guava, which is not the regular guava, but a more exotic type of guava. We have star fruit. We have jackfruit, lemon. We have lime.
Is that sour cherries?
And this is that is star fruit right there.
Oh, okay.
Right. And we have some forestry tree as well. Some lumber tree that is going up top in the forest here. Yeah.
Okay, yeah, guys. So that's most of what we have there, and then you have more to go get.
Yeah, we have a lot of trees, and them are more to jackfruit and all kind of things.
You can see how the temporary nursery is looking. So it's going to be really nice when we finish the other one. Hi guys, so I'm going to end today's video right here. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, all of that good stuff. I will definitely be working on making the videos even better for you guys. So please just bear with me until I learn this YouTube thing. But yeah, this video is definitely to be continued. Once again, thank you so much for watching. We will talk soon.